Every great journey begins in a deep and unknown darkness. Imagine a world where even silence echoes, a pressure so intense that it could break anything. But there is one thing that never breaks, and that is our curiosity. We humans and the modern intelligence we have created, we never learned how to stop. We are driven to look beyond the horizon, to places where no eye has ever reached. This journey is not just about rising from the depths of the water. It is a journey of breaking our own limits. When we leave our fears behind, that is when we meet infinite possibilities. Look, how yesterday we were bound to the earth, and today, the starlight is showing us the way. From the abyss to the vastness of the cosmos. This transformation is our true strength, because there is no such thing as an end. Every destination is just a new beginning. The future is now right in front of us.
If you're ready for this journey, hit like and subscribe to join our mission. Don't just watch the future, be a part of it.